everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about Alpha. I've actually never traded this coin before, but I came across it on Twitter and I decided to have a look at the chart, and it looks extremely similar to another coin that I've been trading called Avax. So I'm just going to show you Avax before we dive into Alpha to show you what I'm talking about. So Avax is also traded on Binance, and recently it's been going up like crazy. So here you can see just from this bottom, it's gone up a whopping 495%. Now, I got into this coin at around the $18–19 mark, and ever since it's just been going up and up and up. So this coin has done extremely well. It's performed very well. Whilst other coins have been going up a little bit slowly, Avax has just, broken limits. It's now basically hit near the all-time high. It's retracing because the entire market is going through some sort of correction. But yeah, the chart for Alpha looks extremely similar. So I'm just gonna put Avax's chart on Alpha to show you the resemblance of both these coins. Here you can see that the orange line is Avax and the chart behind it is Alpha. So here you can see the resemblance is uncanny. We've seen spikes in Avax, which is very similar to Alpha. There was some sort of consolidation here. And then obviously we had a small correction in the market. Bitcoin went down and so did many of the alts. We did have a sell signal with the 20 and the 55 EMA crossing to the downside, which led to a sell-off in the market. And now we can see there is a buy signal on Avax, which was created on the 9th of August. And ever since it's managed to remain above both the EMAs, it's actually tested the 20 EMA on the 17th of August as support and has actually bounced off that, which is an extremely bullish signal. Now, potentially what we can see is, since Avax did just spike off, we could potentially see a similar movement with Alpha. So this is why I wanted to bring this coin to you guys right now. And it seems like a small altcoin gem that I'm going to be looking into a little bit more closely over the next couple of days. So I'm just going to remove this chart and show you what I'm seeing on the smaller time frames. So here we can see that we actually created a double bottom on Alpha around August, July, August. I'm just gonna show that a little bit more clearly. Sorry, my trading view seems to be hanging today. Okay, so we can see that we created this double bottom on Alpha, like we did with many altcoins. Many altcoins showed this bottoming signal. And post that, we've broken out of this double bottom and have managed to retain this as support and have bounced off that again. So this is extremely bullish. It's a very strong reversal signal for Alpha. Just the target from this double bottom is at around $1.50 for Alpha. So just from that target, we can see that we're potentially going to move up another 30% for Alpha. So now I'm just going to pop in the Fibonacci's for Alpha to see what our long-term price predictions can be for this coin. So I'm just going to take this bottom to this high. And we can see that we basically just hit the golden ratio, the 0.618 Fibonacci, and post that we saw a small correction in the market. We might see a further roll in the market with Bitcoin correcting a little bit more. And if we do, we could expect Alpha to come back to test the 0.5 level, which is which is also the support line for this double bottom. We might see a retest of this, which is at 0.93 dollars, and post that we could see an increase to the all-time high. And if we can break that, we're looking at a long-term target of $12.12. So that's basically the upside potential for Alpha. It's looking extremely strong. Just that increase from the current level would be a whopping 1000% increase. And if we were to buy in at this correction, if there was to be one, then that would be a 1,200% increase. So yeah, like I said, we're looking at a very strong upside potential for this coin. Obviously, there's the bearish side as well. So if we do break under the 0.93 mark, that will be slightly bearish because we will be breaking out of this double bottom formation. And eventually, if we break this low of 0.29, then that's definitely one signal to say that we are going to be entering a bear market for alpha. But I'm not really seeing that so far. I think there's a strong upside potential for alpha. It's been managing to hold these EMAs as support. So yeah, like I said, if we manage to hold the 0.93, that's a very strong support for alpha, and then we could basically just take off from there. So yeah, that's it for alpha. It looks very strong. Have a look into it. Obviously not financial advice. Also, my channel is relatively new. We've just started posting out a couple of videos here and there. I want to be putting up more videos. I really appreciate if you like and subscribe, and if you have any sort of altcoins that you'd like for me to look into, please comment, and I will definitely try my best to post a video about those coins. So yeah, that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.